In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix another program is using Outlook 5 minutes. If you're seeing a message that says another program is using Outlook, it usually means something on your computer is tying up Outlook in the background. The most common cause is an add-in that integrates with Outlook and keeps it busy even when you're not actively using that feature. The quickest way to clear that hold is to temporarily turn off all add-ins from inside Outlook. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that step by step in a way that's safe and easy to reverse later. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window, not a browser tab. We'll make the change from right inside the app settings. Next, look to the top left corner of Outlook and click File. This opens the Backstage view where you'll find account settings, opening and saving options, and the place we need for managing extensions. On the left side of the file view, click Options. This opens the Outlook options window. Don't worry, you're not changing your emails or your profiles here. We're just going to adjust how Outlook loads extra tools. In the Outlook options window, click Add-ins. This section shows everything that can hook into Outlook, such as integration tools, sync helpers, and other extensions. If one of these is misbehaving, it can cause the another program is using Outlook message. At the bottom of this add-ins page, look for the Manage box. It typically shows COM add-ins by default, which is what we want. With COM add-ins selected in the drop-down, click the Go button. This opens a small COM add-ins dialog listing all currently installed add-ins. In the COM add-ins dialog, uncheck every add-in in the list. Unchecking doesn't uninstall anything, it simply prevents these tools from loading with Outlook. This is a safe troubleshooting move that rules out conflicts quickly. If you're unsure what a particular add-in does, it's still okay to uncheck it here. Nothing is permanently changed. Once everything is unchecked, click OK to confirm. Outlook will now operate without those extensions loading, which usually releases whatever was holding Outlook open in the background and clears the error. If the message goes away, you've confirmed the issue was related to an add-in. You can always return to this same dialog later and selectively turn your preferred add-ins back on. That's it. By opening Outlook, going to File, Options, Add-ins, using the Manage drop-down for COM add-ins, clicking Go, unchecking all add-ins and clicking OK, you remove the most common cause of the another program is using Outlook error and get back to work.